Alright, ladies, fun and joke aside. Look how you look good. You keep your hygiene up together. No donkey no bite you. You know how to put yourself together, see? And you just sit down there with a boy when nah do nothing at all for you. Are you good with that? Nah, man, him obia you. I obia that.
You see that Rosealee and Ackeem business work on right now on the social media, especially TikTok. It is the prime example of Ackeem, figure it out, and Kiprich. I tell people, especially the man them, you come here, you for treat you woman good, and that them I tell you. You see Kizzy, Dyema, Rosealee, them a get princess treatment right now, and right now the woman them a figure it out and know say era. Me not waste no more years, no more months, no more weeks, and no more days and hours, minutes and seconds with no man. And one big thing I go on right now on social media. So the haters them wanna come here. Leave Diamond Rosealee and Kizzy right now, because there's something to learn from these three couples to say. Yeah? Good treatment out there. Whether it's a prank, whether it's a drunk, whether it's a anything you want to call it, it doesn't matter. So bad mind people, especially Al Raja where I lick out pan Ackeem, say Ackeem have woman. Even if him have woman, it doesn't matter. Rosealee is getting a little love whether Ackeem want her or not. She her eye them are open. So you see the man them will love woman things and just sit down and a depend on woman for woman do everything for them. The woman then yaya open up from Ackeem and figure it out and Kiprich. The woman them must say this type of treatment they want, other princess treatment they want. So when me used to tell you say, me not take up any man cause me can't bother with the bolipa problem. You never understand when me add this me talk about since you don't understand. Man fi treat you with love and respect, loyalty, carry you out, treat you make you know say princess treatment out there. Buy little flowers, buy little gift. You know see all Dyema unbox. Rosealee I get Pandora bracelet. But they are foreign and I have none. Me like wagwan and the little hype wagwan with it, it is okay. Wanna continue show the young people them and show the big man them say yes, I saw enough treat woman. And ladies, enough support it. Stop beat it down because you can learn something from it. Enough man right now in a problem, you know. Enough man right now in a problem because the woman them yaya open up. Them a sister them need treatment, good treatment. You understand? So you see all of them man where they have the woman them and in and treat them good and see them and get little princess treatment now and in our feelings on relax. Make Dyema Rosealee have them moment and Kizzy make them have them moment and for them time. So Rosealee and Ackeem, Dyema figure it out, Kizzy and Kiprich wanna continue do one and do. I like the series. So love and hip hop can go on with things. Why we can go on with things? All we can do is come on social media with negativity and I argue every minute and I cuss and I bring down each other. I like that little love something you go on. Yeah. Cause right now if one man approach me and then now come shower me with gift, roses and take me on dates and you know the nice things them, the princess treatment. Don't come. It not go work. If me eye the close, me eye open up. Big, wide. Princess treatment. And that we deserve. So the woman them on stop bash Rosealee and Ackeem and I say it fake or it no fake. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Them a live them best life. And me like it. It a go on good. It a go on good. So why the American them fi go on with it and Ackeem and Rosealee and Dyema figure out can do it and Kizzy and Kiprich. Sierra and Russell. Cardi B and Stefan Diggs. Why them a go on with things and we in Jamaica can go? On a told negative man. Now, one thing with Jamaicans, on a bad mind, bad. If something a go on for somebody who no want tear them down, why? Be happy for people, man. Uno too negative. And that's a problem. Bad mind I go kill you. Today for you, tomorrow for somebody else. You see like how Kizzy Dan and Kiprich and Dyema and figure it out and Rosealee and Ackeem are going now. It a go last some time and then different set of people come. I saw it go. One set of people can run the app all the time. Figure it out, man. Me like it. You see, if Rosealee they have a little doubt in herself, like a low self-esteem, she'll look in herself now and she'll say, you know, say, me deserve better and me can get better out there. Yeah, man did that for everybody. Woman did that for everybody. Me hear Ackeem said to Rosealee daughter, she called Shanta. Shanta come and ask Shanta if she alright and Shanta say no, she want go beach. And Ackeem say a beach, them a go. So you tell me say Jake's in the house and could carry the pit then go somewhere. And that I think with uno man, uno get to relax in a relationship and uno feel like say woman a go always sit down and take all of the disrespect from uno and no feel no way. The woman them have feelings. Everybody have feelings. She a human. She a human, cause Rosealee beautiful, you know. Now watch how she look and shape on them something there. That are the least a Rosealee problem. Rosealee look good and anything you want nowadays you just go buy it. Cause if Rosealee want body she can go buy it. Dyema always love. Dyema have whole heap of love for it, but she always give it to the wrong man. Whether this a prank or not, it doesn't matter. The guys them, they are treating the girls them good. And it's a good look for we. Most of the man them need to learn from this. Me I watch Kizzy Dan like a while. On Fear Alive with Kiprich, them a have breakfast. And one man I got simple say, if him never have money, Kizzy Dan would want him. Kizzy Dan and Kiprich the long time. Kizzy Dan just put on her foot and say no more dolly house. A serious thing should happen now. So it's either you let me go, make me find one man where I go treat me good, or you just take it up on your head and treat me good. So at that right now. So you see the mister where come for me, make sure you know what time it is you have to treat me good. Come and come correct. Yeah. Come and come correct. Yeah. And them style, me like where I go on social media right now. No negativity. I just see bad mind people them. Like Raja, I come now and I say a prank or Ackeem have woman. Or them I say Ackeem in the next world. It doesn't matter if he must swim around, up around, him and him figure it out. Brother, I treat the woman them good. And it's a good look. I want to be happy for people, man. And them something I want to gravitate. And it's so upsetting for me to see the woman them and the people them. When I read comment, me not call no name. And them I say, Ackeem no want Rosa. It doesn't matter. The point of the story is he is showing her that there's life to live and man out there will look after her. There will be somebody out there for Rosealee. And the same thing with Dyema. Dyema have whole heap of love, but she just get the wrong person all the time. No everybody in their feelings. Candy and Idonia did a go on what there. No for them time. They have their moment already. It never go on like this. This a go on good and me love it. It a go on good. I love it. You know? Me I don't wanna say him have to come up with something else. I don't wanna just relax. Let Kizzy Dan and Kiprich, Dyema and figure it out and Rosealee and Ackeem have them moment. Me love it. Me love what I want. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and if you want to subscribe, you subscribe. Right there, so. Thank you. See you next time and have a wonderful day. And if your man not treat you good, go figure it out and make them know what time it is. Because you cannot treat man good and they not treat you no good. Right there, so. I'm out. Bye.